Boone's Customs checking in. We got a dump truck. Lady and her husband reached out. They needed a new CB, new radio, new speakers. So we got them hooked up. Check us out. Well, we back. We got a dump truck. Need a new CB. CB's not working. And those are some small speakers. I'm gonna add some new speakers in. New radio. Oh, radio coming out of there. So we have the radio installed. Let's see if we got it working. It's working. Dump truck. Radio's working fine. Now let's proceed on to getting new speakers installed. The new CB. We'll move along. Boone's Customs. Today's work was the dump truck. This couple who reached out to me. So what we did today was install the radio in the dump truck for them. Ran a new wire for the antenna. We out here. Check us out. So what we did was, first of all, just turn the radio down. Turn the key to back the other way. So what we did a I ordered this from Amazon, flip out radio. It's where you can Bluetooth. It also has navigation, music. Just ran the USB cord right here because I'm gonna come back later and repair the dashboard for them. But you can also put a SD card in, navigation maps. It's a pretty cool radio for what they need it for. You don't need too much in a dump truck. But what I did was, it's factories, so I'll probably come back and make a panel, cover that up. And what I did was added a component set, 5 1/4. Put them a tweet right there, angling at the driver. Put another tweet over there, angling at the passenger. And we got these new speakers in there. Sounds pretty good for what we got. And you can close it. See, the radio goes back into the dash. We all set. Boone's Customs. Saturday work. Like I say, this lady reached out to me. She really wanted this done because they're gonna go over the road and get busy and just go haul and dump some stuff. So yeah, we just don't work on cars, we work on them all. Whatever you got, we can make it happen. Boone's Customs.